Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to draw 2 French braids, so let's get started. The equipment you're gonna need is any sort of pencil, a blender, you can also use a tissue or Q-tip, and any colored pencils. For this drawing I'll be using Prismacolor, non-photo blue, and light aqua. And you're also gonna need something round like a bottle cap. First, we're going to draw a circle. Then we're going to leave some space and draw an arc. Next, draw a straight line down the circle. Once you're done that, start from the middle top of the circle and draw almost like a stair shape coming downwards. Do the same thing on the other side and make sure they end on the same level. Now from the outer circle, start making curved lines inwards, connecting to the pointed part of the stairs. Now start making curved lines from the center and attach them to the remaining pointed part of the stairs. Remember to keep an equal space between every line that starts from the center. Then, repeat the same thing on the other side. Once that is done, darken all the lines you have drawn except for the center line. Now draw 2 rectangles where the stairs end to show the hair ties. Start shading the hair, work from the outer circle and from the middle part of the stairs, making strokes to the center. Leave the center white to show the highlights. Continue doing the same thing to all the small parts of the hair. Now, blend out the individual parts, but keep in mind that the center should be lighter than the outer edges. After blending, if you feel like it is too light, make another layer of pencil shading. Now make curved lines from the circle to the arced line to show the neck. Start making a ponytail from the hair tie. As you reach the curved line, make it a little wider and finish off at a tip. Once you're done that, erase the part in the ponytail. Shade inwards from the bottom of the head to give a good transition to the neck. While shading, keep the middle part a little darker to show the 2 parts. Draw 2 curved lines down the ponytail and start shading from the top and bottom. Remember to keep the middle part a little lighter as that is the highlight. Now trace around the figure by alternating the 2 pencil colors. If you learned something from this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.